Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another keyboard from YUNZII. This is the AL65 aluminum mechanical keyboard. This keyboard has three modes, which is wired, wireless with a 2.4 gigahertz dongle and Bluetooth. That means you can connect it pretty much to every device. And yeah, it's made out of aluminum. It sounds great. 65% layout, RGB, all the bells and whistles. It looks absolutely amazing. I'm going to show you guys in a second how it looks. This is the box for it. We have some QR codes right here. Official website, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok and Facebook if you want to check them out. On the back we have just a few manufacturer warranty and information. The brand YUNZII AL65 3-mode wireless connection, the manufacturer and their support. Again, if you got any issues, email them at support@yunzii.com. They'll be more than happy to assist you with any of your issues. Aesthetics, mechanical precision and user creativity, made in China. And yeah, pretty much that's it. That's it with the box. Let's go ahead now and open it. I'm going to show you guys what you get inside, all the accessories, and after that we are going to put it to the test. We're going to connect it to our main PC. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. As always, we'll start with the small stuff first. So right here we have like a user guide which tells you which combination of keys you should use if you're using a MacBook, if you want to use a wireless, Bluetooth, to a wired with a USB Type-C. You have a combination of FN keys right here because this keyboard being 65%, you're missing some keys, but it's all in there. I suggest you give this a read. You'll be really handy to know what this keyboard can do. Again, right here we have a user manual, more in detail with pictures. Tells you everything. I'm pretty sure it's in different languages as well, so no matter where you live, they have you covered. Give this a read. It will help you understand the capabilities of your keyboard way better. We have the 2.4 gigahertz wireless dongle. So this can be plugged in into any free USB Type-A port on your PC or your laptop, and you can use it in wire mode by doing so. We have a switch and a keycap puller, pretty basic. We have a pretty long USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. This is used to charge the keyboard and also to use it in wire mode. I suggest you use the included cable. It works the best. It's got a nice length to it as well. We have some spare keycaps in these two bags. I really like the minty ones right here, so you can replace the space bar with a more minty color one. It looks absolutely great. I love it. Yet more keycaps, better customization if you don't want to use the transparent ones it comes with. So now if we have a look at the keyboard, this is how it looks. Really clean aesthetics. It looks absolutely amazing. On the side right here we have some RGB. Let me turn it on for a second. So the whole keyboard is RGB, even the sides. And on the back right here we have this grill which looks absolutely amazing in my opinion. I've never seen this on many keyboards. It looks really great. On the back we have some rubber feet on all four corners for stability. Once you place it, it doesn't move, it doesn't go nowhere unless you put a bit of force into it, and the keyboard looks absolutely amazing. Here we have the USB Type-C port used for charging and wire mode, and we have a switch between 2.4 wireless, wired and Bluetooth. You can adjust it according to your device needs. And yeah, pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. And yes, it comes with a dust cover, so if you want to protect it from the dust, once you're done with the keyboard you can put this dust cover on it. It will protect it. And yeah, that's it with what's inside the box. Let's go ahead now and connect it to our PC, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks next to your setup in terms of aesthetics. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so the keyboard now it's all plugged in. To connect it, it's really simple. I used the wireless mode, so just flick it to wireless mode and then plug in the dongle into your PC. Any available USB Type A port should do, and it will work straight away. It's very responsive, as you can see, and it looks amazing. It feels amazing as well. I am going to try to go as low as possible with the camera's microphone so you guys can hear it. Sounds absolutely amazing. So let's do that. I absolutely love the sound. It sounds really good and talky. I absolutely love it. So yeah, pretty much that's it. This is how it looks next to your setup. If you guys want to buy this keyboard, I will have a purchase link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.